Principle 4, reaction forces. As we move into the remaining principles, we're going to have a quick conversation about theoretical versus practical information. As coaches, it's important to recognize that many of the concepts we're going to discuss over the next couple of videos are very theoretical in nature, very scientific in nature. And as coaches, your application, your skill set, your expertise is through the athlete expertise and on-field sport performance. So moving forward, recognize that while some of these are complex, we're hoping that you take away practical examples and a practical understanding and knowledge for your work on the field. In this particular principle, as it states at the top, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. We're going to look at this in regards to linear motion, or in this case, sprinting. What we want you to recognize is that when an athlete is accelerating, when they're sprinting, they're applying force into the ground. So for example, if you just watch my shin, my calf area, recognize that when I hit the ground, I'm actually generating force in the same direction of my shin bone, which would essentially be this particular angle. And because I'm striking the ground at this particular angle, the equal and opposite reaction is that it's actually projecting my body this way, or forward and out. And so the more you strike at an angle, the more equal and opposite effect that there is. So for someone who is accelerating, for someone who's going from a dead stop, that's why we tend to coach a low position to get more horizontal acceleration, whereas those that are at top speed, they're very tall and they're striking in a more vertical manner.